With AI seemingly everywhere, a brand new role is popping up as, honestly, one of the most important for the future: the AI Generalist. So today, we're going to break down the 8 essential skills that really define this role, and more importantly, how you can start building them yourself.
It feels like every single day there's a new AI tool or some crazy breakthrough that's changing the way we work. It's a lot to keep up with, right? But this question, it's not just about the tech. It's really about your career. The ground is literally shifting under our feet, and being ready is everything.
So what's the answer? Well, it's about becoming an AI generalist. And look, this doesn't mean you need a PhD in machine learning. Not at all. It's about being that versatile pro who knows how to grab AI by the horns and use it to build, to automate, to create, and to connect. We're talking about practical, real-world application, not just theory. To make this super clear, we've broken it all down into what we're calling 4 core powers. Think of this as your personal roadmap to mastering the role and making yourself absolutely indispensable in this new age of AI. And here they are: build, automate, create, and connect. You can almost see them as 4 interconnected pillars holding everything up. We're going to dive into the specific skills that live inside each one, and we're kicking things off with the power to build. Okay, our first core power is to build, and that brings us to skill number 1, AI-assisted development. This right here is a total game changer. The barrier to entry for creating apps and websites, it's never been lower. Seriously, you don't have to be a professional coder anymore to bring a cool idea to life. This is all about empowering everyone to become a builder. You can use AI assistants and these low-code platforms to just describe what you want an app to do in plain English, and the AI helps write the code. It basically becomes your personal development co-pilot, turning your vision into a real functional tool. Next up is our second core power, the power to automate. Honestly, for a lot of people, this is where an AI generalist can make the biggest, most immediate splash when it comes to productivity. And this power actually breaks down into 4 separate skills. Each one is a different way to put AI to work for you, handling all those repetitive tasks so you can focus on the big picture, strategic stuff. So skill number 2 for an AI generalist is building no-code AI agents. Just think of these as your own personal autonomous assistants that you can design and set loose to handle specific jobs for you 24/7. And this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. You can use frameworks like AutoGPT or APIs from places like OpenAI to build agents that handle real-world tasks, things like customer support, analyzing data, or managing schedules. It's almost like adding a dedicated AI employee to your team. Okay, skill number 3 is all about workflow automation. This is less about building one single agent and much more about weaving AI intelligence into the very fabric of your day-to-day processes. So here's how that works. You use these incredible platforms like Zapier or Make.com to connect all the different apps you use every single day. Then you inject AI into those connections to automate annoying tasks like summarizing meeting notes or sorting your emails. It's all about getting rid of that digital busy work. Skill number 4 is a term I bet you've heard a lot lately: prompt engineering. Look, if using AI is like having a conversation, then prompt engineering is the art and the science of asking exactly the right questions with expert-level precision. And here's the bottom line: the quality of the answer you get from an AI is directly tied to the quality of your prompt. Mastering this skill means you're going to get more accurate, more creative, and just plain more useful results from tools like ChatGPT every single time. Now for the 5th skill, and the last one under our automate power: API integration. So what's an API? Well, an application programming interface. It's basically just a bridge that lets different software programs talk to each other. This is how you give your own custom apps and business systems actual AI superpowers. By learning how to use APIs, you can plug directly into these incredibly powerful models from places like OpenAI or Google, embedding their intelligence right into the tools your team is already using every day. All right, let's switch gears a bit. We're moving from automation to imagination with our 3rd core power, the power to create. Because AI isn't just an analytical tool, it's also a revolutionary partner in the creative process. This creative power actually splits into two essential skills. So skill number 6 is AI content generation. This is all about using tools like Midjourney for images or Jasper for text to create something brand new, right from a simple prompt. It's like having a brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas. Then skill number 7 is AI enhanced editing. This is where you use tools like Grammarly for your writing or Descript for audio and video to refine and perfect what you've already made, making it clearer, punchier, and way more impactful. These two skills together just supercharge the entire creative cycle. And that brings us to our fourth and final core power, the power to connect. This power holds our eighth and final skill, AI enhanced writing. Because let's face it, it's not enough to build, automate, and create awesome stuff. You also have to communicate those ideas in a way that truly connects with people. This is all about using AI as your personal writing co-pilot. Tools like Notion AI or Pseudo-Write can help you shape compelling stories, they can optimize your content for search engines, and they can help you personalize your message to connect deeply with any audience, no matter how big. It's all about amplifying your voice and making sure your ideas have the impact they deserve. And that really brings us full circle, doesn't it? This quote just perfectly nails the entire concept. An AI generalist isn't defined by just one of these skills. It's about being that versatile pro who gets how to weave all four of these powers: build, automate, create, and connect together to solve problems and create value in a completely new way. So, there you have it, the 8 essential skills of the AI generalist, all tucked under 4 core powers. You've got the roadmap now, so the only real question left is the one you see right here. What will you build first?